Hi, fighters. How you doing? Travis Witherspoon here from Carter Cow Capital. Here's our Forex trading tip for today. Now, I want you to be able to pay attention to what I'm going to end up saying because these 3 minutes are very important for people that are starting off in trading. You have to be able to understand how to be able to manage your overall equity. Now, for people that have went through the struggle of starting off in trading, you truly understand this. The one thing that Forex brings and the one special thing that it does is allows you to be able to use leverage. Now, if you don't know what leverage is, leverage allows you to be able to amplify your gains because basically what they do with your margin requirements, depending on the broker, allows you to be able to say, hey, you have $1,000, but that $1,000 is basically treated like 50,000 units or 100,000 units on your overall trades, which means that you basically end up getting the same amount of money, or you basically end up getting the same amount of buying power as if you was had a whole bunch of money to be able to buy a Tesla stock or a Google stock or anything else like that. Now, it is a double-edged sword, which means that with that money, you can be able to make a lot of money, but you can also be able to lose a lot of money as well. So let's talk about why equity managers is very important, because the whole adage of what you're trying to do in being able to build an account is be able to spend as little money as you possibly can to be able to make as much money as you possibly can. However, if you're over leveraging your account, then if you end up going through drawdown and you end up losing money on the way of being able to build up your account based off of not knowing what type of strategy that you want to do, or you just took bad losses, and they're reoccurring, then you're never going to have the buying power to be able to get where you want to be able to be. All right. So it's very important to be able to understand that using a sound equity management plan, knowing how much you're willing to spend each and every time that you end up trading, will end up allowing you to be able to succeed in this game long term. We're not talking about short term. Short term, anybody can be able to turn $1,000 to $2,000, right? Anybody can get on a winning streak like that. You can go to brokers where they give you 1 to 500 leverage, like Hugo's Way, Trader's Way, and a lot of those people where they basically try to suck you in on being able to say, hey, I'm going to give you all of this leverage. You can be able to blow up your account and be able to make it a lot and show that other people can be able to do it. However, if you end up taking that loss because you end up saying, hey, I'm going to end up maxing out my account and it's to the downside, then you don't have that much buying power anymore, right? You're not getting that same type of leverage. You're not being able to use that same type of movements. So understand this. Use equity management to your overall advantage. I have not found a successful trader that does not know how to be able to manage their money, right? I've never found one, right? Understand how to be able to do that. Get a equity management calculator. You can go get a trade ticket. I'll basically place in a link on the description so you can be able to see what we actually end up using. I'll place it in the video. If you're interested in being able to use that, then you can be able to send me a message and I'll show you exactly how to be able to get that and how to be able to use that. But equity management is a must in overall trading. Okay. Now, if I provided value for you in this video, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to all of our social media networks. Please make sure that you end up staying tuned tomorrow for what we end up having for our next videos. Thank you for hopping in, and I'll see you in the next one.